Good evening, traders. We're back again to have a preview of what the market has to offer us for the new month. And our week will be starting from March the 2nd to March the 6th. We were quite profitable with our analysis for last week. We saw gold tumbling down despite the prevailing rates of cases of coronavirus. We saw GBP USD go, as we analyzed, it went really down to 1.2729, and yeah, we're back again to check what we're going to do with the market as it opens on Monday. Wow, quite a great week. We're looking forward to making good profits in the week. Yeah, for those who have been watching these videos and you found it beneficial, I'd like you to click the like button. You also, if you want me to look at other pairs other than the one I'm looking at, you can leave a comment in the comment box. And for those who are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell, that bell beside the subscribe button, to keep you updated as I put out these videos as we look at the market on a weekly basis. Down in the description below, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel. That's my group where we look at price action on a daily basis, and that despite these videos that I put out on a weekly basis, we can look at what prices do on a daily basis and take profits as they come. Now, without further ado, we're going straight to what the market holds for us this week. And we're still looking at the GBP/USD as we have always done. Now I'm looking at it from, I'm doing a top-down analysis, and remember, February is gone. We're looking at March. So we're looking at March the 2nd, so it's a new month. So our top-down analysis will start with the new month. We start from the monthly time frame. And now from the monthly time frame, what we have here, we've seen a very bearish candle. This whole three looks more like an evening star pattern, and the month of February was quite bearish for the pound dollar. Here, what I expect to happen is a slight retracement upwards, and we'll begin to sell off. If you notice, you see that prices have tested some resistance zones and has reversed at that point, and we expect more bearish movement on the pound dollar. But after that retracement to say about 1.2954 area, we're zooming in gradually. Look at the weekly. From the weekly, what I have here, we might see prices continue to the downside and close somewhere around 1.2654. I'm looking forward to a close around here at the end of the week. Expect price to close around here, 1.2654. We're zooming in, we're looking at daily. Now, daily was somewhat similar to what we have on the weekly. So basically, we expect to still short this market until we get to that 1.2654 area. I expect prices to close around here and then retest this support. Support has held, but price has broken through it, but has not closed below it. So we're expecting that price to retest by Monday and Basically, once you see it close below it, we are going to still continue selling. You can look at it in 4 hours. 4 hours, we have somewhat like a piercing pattern here. But I expect prices to reverse around this area, 1.2858 or 1.2860 area, to continue lower. Let's look at, you can see already there's some bit of reversal here from the 1 hour time frame. So basically, let's just expect a reversal around the 1.2850 or 60 area, and we'll continue to sell from there. The next I'm looking at is the pound Canadian dollar. From the monthly, what we have also is we had a bearish month for the GBVs, and we can see the same here for the pound Canadian dollar. We look at the weekly to look at what we can make out of this. We have a doji, somewhat like a gravestone doji for last week. Looks a bit bullish, but I expect prices to continue to the downside. So basically, with this pair, we could place a sell stop at 1.7070 and head for 1.70. We could even go below that. Let's still zoom in, take a look at this. Good. So basically, let me use my fib to get some direction based on Fibonacci. We might have, we are having something that looks like a butterfly pattern forming around here, and basically we have a bearish engulfing candle that has engulfed basically almost all the candles for last week. That's Friday's candle engulfed almost about all of them. Yeah, so we're expecting a small retracement upwards and a continuation to the downside. Let's see if we can pinpoint a place, a spot to take that from. We can place a sell stop below the 4-hour candle of the last 4-hour candle on the 4-hour time frame, and basically at 1.7070. That will be our entry, and we will just keep selling. We'll just move lower and keep selling. We could expect a retest of these lows at 1.6913. But basically, based on price action, we have a high, and this couldn't make or break this new high, so we're expecting more downward pressure down to 1.6913. Let's look at gold quickly. For gold, we saw that we also have a very bearish engulfing candle here for the week. Let's look at what the month holds. The month has ended as a doji, so we might still have prices surge to the upside, very likely for March, with the coronavirus still not being contained appropriately, and with more cases being reported around the world. I see investors going over to the safe haven currencies, and I expect more bullish pressure. A bullish candle for March. Quickly looking at the weekly. The weekly has a bearish engulfing. So what I'm expecting is a slight retracement upwards, and we might continue the downside. We can get some precise points to look at. Now, what I have here, I'm expecting about a 50% retracement on this move to the downside, first of all. So we can look for entries around where prices are right now. The price is around closed around 1586.54. So we're looking for any entry around here, and we'll be looking forward to price getting to 1626.23. If we don't support any reversals around here, we'll continue to the upside. Let's still look at the 4 hour. Okay, good. We have a hammer here, so we can place our buy stop 10 pips above at 1594, 1594.50, and just keep buying until we get to 1626, this area between 1626 and 1641. If we don't see any reversals around here, we'll be looking forward to go to the upside. And basically, once we break this high at 1660, prices will go further to the upside. Looking at USD Canada, let's see what this holds for us also this week. Let's look at the monthly. For the monthly time frame, we have a break and close above the high here, so I'll be expecting a retracement back into this and a continuation upwards for the month. Let's look at the weekly and see what we can take out of this. Yeah, the week most likely will retrace into this zone at 1.3325, and might also go again to retest the highs of last week. Look at the daily to be sure what we're doing. Good, we have a doji here, so basically I want to see a retest of the highs. Monday's candle should retest these highs before, and let's see if we can get a break and close above it. If we don't, if we have a double top here, we'll now go lower. Yeah, and going lower to 1.3320 area. USD JPY, we'll be looking at the monthly time frame. What do we have here? We have, let me remove this Fibonacci. Yep. We have an inverted hammer, and prices have closed lower. Price tested this high and has closed lower than it. Based on price action, I expect more moves to the downside. Basically, more moves to the downside, and that's for the month. Let's look at it from a weekly standpoint, weekly time frame. We have a bearish candle for the week, and I'm expecting a retracement up to 109.50, but about 50% retracement of the weekly candle before we continue lower. Now, basically, let's still get some precise entry points. From where prices are, we could do that buy up to 109.50. So look for well, basically the there most likely will be a retest of this low getting to 107.49 or 50, or maybe a little bit more below that before we look forward to that retracement upwards. Before we look for so maybe most likely Monday's candle will still be bearish, somewhat in the range of 90 pips to 100 pips down this way, before we look forward to that retracement upwards. So maybe Monday will sell, and based on the close of the day, we'll look to buy this pair, the USD yen, dollar yen pair, up to 109.50. We could sell from there. But basically, you can join me as I watch this on a daily basis, and we can spot where we can take our profits, make the pips, and keep the pips on a daily basis. With that said, that will be that for this week. From the calendar, we have quite a busy week. We have quite a busy week. The new week we have from Monday will be a bit slow. We have some Tuesday. We have CPI numbers coming from the euro. We have the Bank of Canada rate statement on Wednesday. We'll also be having the Bank of England, the Bank of Canada, the governor speaking on Thursday. We have quite some good news, high impact news coming from the USD and Canada on Friday. So with that said, you look at prices, look at the news, and trade safely. Also want you to know that you don't trade with the rent money. Trading Forex is quite a risky business, and you should get sound financial advice investing in the Forex market. Let me also say this I've put out here is for educational purposes basically, and taking your money to invest in the Forex market, you need sound advice. And that will be that for now. See you in the next video. Bye.